In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add GIFs to Trello cards, so you can make your boards more visual, engaging, and easier to understand at a glance. Whether you're managing projects, collaborating with a team, or organizing personal tasks, adding a GIF to your Trello card is a simple way to bring your workflow to life. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to add GIFs to any Trello card in seconds. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Trello, you'll land on your Boards page, where you can see all the boards connected to your account. From here, click on the board where you want to add a GIF. This could be a project board, a content calendar, a task tracker, or any board you're currently working on. After opening your board, locate the specific card where you want the GIF to appear. Click directly on that card to open it. When the card window pops up, you'll see all the available options, such as description, checklist, due dates, and attachments. On the right-hand side of the card, look for the Add section. Under this section, click on Attachment. This is the feature that allows you to upload files or attach links, including GIFs. Now you have two options. If you already have a GIF saved on your computer, click on Choose a File and upload the GIF directly from your device. Alternatively, if you want to use a GIF from a website like Giphy, copy the direct link to the GIF. Then paste that link into the Search or Paste a Link field inside the attachment window. Once you've selected your file or pasted the GIF link, click on Insert. Trello will now process the attachment and add the GIF to your card. After it uploads successfully, you'll see the GIF displayed inside the card as an attachment preview. To make the GIF more prominent, you can click on the attachment and set it as the card cover. This will display the GIF directly on the front of the card, making it visible from the main board view. This is especially useful if you're using GIFs for visual indicators, reactions, tutorials, or quick demonstrations for your team. Finally, close the card and return to your board. You should now see the card with the GIF displayed. If you set it as the cover, it will appear clearly on the card preview itself. And that's it. You've successfully added a GIF to a Trello card. Adding GIFs can make your boards more engaging, help communicate ideas faster, and even add a bit of personality to your workflow. It's a small feature, but it can make a big difference in team collaboration and visual organization. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Trello tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.